Maximum moisture. Deep penetrating conditioner that restores moisture and improves hair health, making it an ideal conditioner for women, men, and kids. Detangle with ease. Almond and Avocado provides intense moisture while strengthening strands from the inside out, leaving a beautiful natural shine, while coconut milk replenishes moisture and aids as a natural detangler, saving 30 minutes of detangle time. For healthy hair. Has a gentle formula with hydrating shea butter and coconut milk, is also paraben, paraffin, petrolatum free, and contains no mineral oils to help promote healthy hair growth. Great for dry hair. Specifically formulated for wavy, curly, coily and kinky textured hair from normal to dry, and color-treated hair to revitalize the hair's natural luster. Design essentials. Everyone deserves to feel beautiful and confident. With over 30 years experience, trust Design Essentials to empower you to look and feel your best. Every purchase is backed by the Design Essentials guarantee. Experience intense moisture hydration. It's a fact that curly hair requires more moisture than other textures because the coil structure of the strand doesn't properly allow the scalp's natural oils to make it down the hair shaft, which is why our natural Almond Avocado Moisturizing Detangling Conditioner uses the hydrating power of almond, avocado and shea butter to nourish and replenish any moisture that your curls may be lacking. Reducing the appearance of dryness, frizz, and breakage. Save up to 30 minutes detangling time. Detangling and hydrating your coils shouldn't come with added stress or time. Thanks to our natural Almond Avocado Moisturizing Detangling Conditioner, even the curliest hair textures can count on reduced detangling time due to key ingredients like almond avocado, which softens, moisturizes, and detangles your hair effortlessly, resulting in each strand feeling soft, manageable, and noticeably hydrated. No parabens, no paraffin, no petrolatum, no mineral oil. Top reviews from the United States. Moisturizing conditioner great for protection and curl definition. I have thick coarse curly hair in the natural state and it worked well for detangling my hair. I left in for minutes with a plastic cap and my hair felt nourished after leaving it in and rinsing out.